Video of ANICO Capital, and in this video I'll show you some identifying proper supply and demand zones and also some entry models that you guys should follow. So I'll start from the beginning. You can see I'm on gold USD on 1 hour, so let me go to 4 hour first. First, look, what I'm doing here is I'm plotting the low and plotting the high on 4 hour. Okay, and I can also see that market broke a major trend line. You can see market broke the trend line and also reacted based on the trend line. Okay, break, reacted with the zone. This would have been a very good trade. Anyways, so right now I know market is bearish, right? So if I go to 1 hour, you can see a lot of patterns here. Look, this is a zone. This was not a zone, but market did not react to this zone, so it's fine. This was not a zone. Okay, so what would you do? As I said, first go to 3 minutes. Okay, look, market broke the structure here clearly. Now what? Now you should place your entry. Now here's the interesting thing. This is the zone. Market never came to the zone. So how you would have made the money? That's the question, right? Okay, here's how. When you know a potential zone, especially when you go to 1 hour, and you will know that market is bearish. Because why? Because it broke the structure. This is a lower high, this is a lower low. Sorry, lower high, this is a lower low. So market is bound to make a lower high. So I go to 3 minutes. I know the market is bearish. I have the bias. I know I will have to place a bearish trade. That will give me the highest probability of winning. So since market did not come to the zone, what would you do? Here's where you will use EMA. Look, the 200 EMA. The moment market closes below the 200 EMA, you place your trade. Okay, you might have a sell limit here. That's fine. Okay, but when you see that it's taking too long to trigger and you don't want to miss out on the opportunity, you can just place a trade based on the EMAs when market closes below the 200 EMA or based on the break of structure. Okay, so this would have been a perfect trade. Stop loss below this. My take profit is quite high. Anyways, then here's another zone. Look what happened. Market broke the structure here. Again, this is the zone. I believe you guys remember what I teach. Alright guys, your entries should always be from here. The moment it breaks the structure, then it is bound to go down. So just memorize this. Just remember this one pattern. That's all it takes. Look, the same thing happened here. Also the same thing happened here. Market broke the structure. It just didn't come to the zone. But you know the bias, so it's going to work out. Here, again, market broke the structure. A very tiny structure. Did market come to the zone? It did not. So what would you do? Simple as that. You connect the dots. It broke the EMAs, so you can place entries on any of the candle here with a high above this, because you know if market does not validate this zone, the trade is invalid. Okay, look, it will easily work out. Okay, now let me show you some real trade I took on pound yen. Look, the bias is very simple. I believe I also made a free YouTube video on this where I show the bias. Look, it's very simple. Market broke the trend line. I know the trend is bullish, so I'll only look for buy options. Okay, I will only take bullish trades, nothing else. So if I go to 15 minutes, I can see like I place this trade based on what? Look at, just follow this with attention. Look, market broke this structure here. Am I right? And I did place a trade here, but it was a break even. You know why? Look, it consolidated for 2 days. It doesn't make sense. I just got out of it. Then this happened. This move broke the structure. Okay, because I know in this particular trade, market did not take this high. Okay, so I was like, this isn't a good trade because there is no break of proper structure. In this trade, look, market clearly broke the structure, and this is the zone I'm looking for. It was a very simple trade. That's all I tell you guys to focus on. Okay, so what did I do? I'm gonna show you again. Let's go to 4-hour. I first figured out the trend. How? Break of trend line. Okay, break of high. Then I went to 15 minutes. Okay, I found a very clear zone. If I go to 3 minutes, I can see market respected the zone. And if you are placing trades based on smaller time frame, you could have just placed an entry here. Okay, then I believe I took another trade here. Yeah, this is a very recent trade. So why did I place the trade? Look, market did not come to the zone, so that gave me an indication that it's not respecting this zone. But the trend is bullish because it broke the structure. So even though market also did not come to this zone, I know the trend is still bullish. Why? Because it's a higher high. So I can place a short trade here. Yes, here's what I did. Look, on 3 minutes, market broke the structure. Okay, this is a zone. Sorry, stop loss here. I'll look for at least 1:10. Okay guys, at least 1:10. Let's see if it works out, even though it's break even now. So this video might look different to all of you guys because I'm not following the conventional way of trading here, because I'm not plotting a big zone, then market comes, okay, then you move to smaller time frame and place your trades based on smaller time frame market structure. Here I'm being a bit more impulsive and advanced. Why? I just placed a trade based on 3-minute time frame. That's it. Why? Because I found the pattern. And here I placed a trade based on 15 minutes. Why? Because I found the pattern. Break of structure, market came to the zone, and the trend is bullish, so I placed a bullish trade. Simple as that. So remember guys, as I said, this is more advanced. So initially, if you're starting out, just plot the zones first. Like this, for example, this is a proper zone for me. Plot the zones first, then place your entry. Okay, plot the zones on higher time frame, move to smaller time frame, and look for the patterns I teach, which is this. Okay, this is all you need to know. Forget everything. Simple as that. Break of structure, bullish trade, bearish trade. Okay, for example, I've plotted this on 4 hour, then I move to 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or 3 minutes, doesn't matter. I'm still not suggesting you guys to move to 1 minute because it's a bit more messy, and it will take a bit of more time to adapt to it. Look, break of structure, respected the zone, market went up. Okay. Anyway, guys, I believe that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.